Let's try that. Sliced leek, roughly chopped onion, in with a twinkle of lube, 2 cloves of minced garlic, cumin and coriander. Once it's fragrant, let it cool. Into a bowl, add in minced beef, the rested veggies. This is just 2 slices of bread or breadcrumbs soaked in moo juice. A touch of salt, give it a massage, roll into 6-inch winners. That is just a legendary kebab shape. You should end up with 5 150-gram rolls. Crack in a family of baby chickens. Hush, little baby, don't say a word. That is 3 baby chickens. Just a touch of salt and pepper. Then gently and ever so slightly give them a whisk of tea. Oh yeah, and throw in some fresh garlic. Bless them with just a twinkie of magic powder. Dust it in flour, the egg wash, into a bubble bath. When a light brown color pops, take it off the heat. Then dredge for the 2nd time into the bubble bath. Dredge number 3. Repeat for the 3rd time and you have this majestic girthy kebabs. A touch of Mother Nature and there we have it. Compared to what we get, has actually meaty.